If your mind feels heavy today, stay here with me for a few minutes. In these moments, I like to just slow down, walk in nature, and hear myself within. Just the stillness of nature, it relaxes my soul. It don't have my mind scattered all over. My body feels at home. To be able to see nature, touch it with my hands, walk through it with my feet, and feel it on my skin, the sun as it shines. It's a feeling sometimes that I can't explain, but it gives me life. It brings me back to within. Sometimes I find myself looking for something outside of me. And when I get in nature, I always remember everything is within me. I should never step outside of myself to find anything. Everything is within. And when I sit in nature, I let it do its thing. And I watch the simple things in life. We already rich. We already have it all. We just gotta find it within. Sometimes us humans forget how powerful we are, how connected we are to the earth. When I do my little walks, this is God. This is love. This is positivity. Something so simple as nature is everything that some people search for, and is right in front of our face every single day. Everything is meant. The sun is meant. The trees is meant. The birds is meant. The spiders are meant. Everything is meant, and it's all God showing love. This is why I always find myself returning back to nature, because it's us. Just some okay thoughts. We gotta get back in tune with our souls. Sometimes I feel like we're losing track of what we're doing on earth. Let's get back to the God of the Word, the beauty. Every day we wake up with a new day to make a decision to do what we please. Let's listen to our soul. Let's listen to our intuition. Let's listen to the God in us. Cannot change the world unless we change ourselves. So one of these days out the week, just go outside and look around. There's beauty in nature, from the cold to the rain to the heat to the mist, through the fires. It has purpose and meaning in it all. And we have the privilege to experience it. That's more than anybody can ever ask for. You can always return to this feeling. If you stayed this far, thank you, and I appreciate it. Stay with yourself always. I love everyone.